Here's a quick video I made to show the range camera system I made. It's real cheap, easy to do. For the first one, I'm not sure right now what I may have changed. This is the first day I've shot it and used it. I shot 30 arrows on the 5-spot, which that target is, I don't know, it's been used at least 3 rounds, I think. And definitely seeing an improvement in the scores already. When the shot breaks and it doesn't hit exactly where you think it should have, I look and go, did I not follow through? You know, just different aspects of it. But the arrows in the orange are my wife. She has been shooting about a year, 10 months. That's 15 yards for her. Very proud of her. She's doing really well. So these are the parts I used. You should be able to get part numbers off of those. I mounted the camera up there. It is adjustable. It's 2 megapixel. It's pretty cheap. I think it was $18 for that camera. They make some that are better. I'll show you the images on the screen, and you can decide if you want something better. I'm not using it for scoring, just using it just to kind of see if the arrows hit where I think they should have. And I can make some adjustments to the sight or to myself, or you know, it encourages me to just keep being consistent. So I have the cable runs across. I'm going to run it up over and down to the 20-yard line, which is down there by that blue box. You can see all the way to the end, dark blue. That's the 20. So I just got the cord running down there for now. Like I said, this is the first time I've tried to. I just wanted to see if it worked and how everything was going to go. If it was worth even running the wire for. Elite Verdict, which I love. So that's the screen. I built a little shelf for it. Still got to hide all the wires and tidy everything up. But man, I think it turned out pretty good for what I'm looking for. Like I said, I'm not really trying to score, but use it for scoring. Like I said, if one, the arrow that hit in that upper, right there, center of the screen, I thought was lined up, but when it hit up there, I realized that I tensed up my arm and pushed it up there, so it kind of raises the bar to say, stop doing that, right? But anyway, and then there's a little, that converter box is part of what's in those pictures. So the security camera has the wire that I showed you. It comes down, it goes to that little box. And then it's a converter that converts it to HDMI. Then HDMI cable runs out, goes to the TV. That is a little Westinghouse TV. It's a 720p HD TV. Man, it was like $130, marked down to 75, I think. So I think when it's all said and done, between those other parts I showed you that came from Amazon, the TV from Best Buy, I'm going to say somewhere in the neighborhood of $150. Man, I already love it. It's a worthwhile project. Anyway, hope this helps somebody, and God bless.